Can you see subtitles over here? These are not written by myself. These are automatically generated and it's AI generated. And keep in mind, for that I have to use a free software that I wanna share, that is Clipchamp. And now check out how I done this. So these subtitles are automatically, purely automatic. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos. Now watch that full tutorial.
Now, video subtitle generator for free. Today we're gonna talk about it, and this is a very easy. I was showing it the video into my system. Let's generate subtitle for free, totally 100% free. And what we have to do? So first of all, we have to open the Clipchamp software, that is this one, and after that we have to go to this create new video. And keep in mind that this is a free 100% free software by Microsoft. And now over here, this one video I want to pull drag this one over here. That's it. This video is over here and we're gonna add it to timeline. This is added timeline and there is no
subtitles over here.
No subtitles over here. Now what we have to do, we have to go to this caption option, try now, and choose the language which you want to choose. Here are a lot of languages. Click on transcribed media and it's generating the caption for this video. It takes a few seconds or depends on the video length. Now
can you see subtitles over here?
Subtitles are added over here. You can increase the size of text, you can change the color of the text. If you want to make it bolder, just click on Ctrl B, and
these are not written by myself.
Now just go to export and just export the video in high quality HD. So that's way you can easily generate video subtitle for free. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.